Weddings are beautiful. But beyond the celebration, weddings are also serious business. Every wedding you see brings together many different services, and each one is an opportunity to earn. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Welcome back. The wedding industry is made up of many businesses working together to create one event. From planning and design to food, fashion, photography, and entertainment, each part solves a specific need. Couples are willing to invest in their wedding because they want it to be special, organized, and memorable. That is why this industry continues to grow and why it creates room for many different types of businesses to earn consistently. How to make money in the wedding industry? Making money in the wedding industry is simple when you understand one thing. You earn by solving a problem during the wedding journey. Some businesses help with planning. Some focus on the event itself. Others provide products or experiences that improves the day. There are three main ways people earn in this industry. The first is through services, where you use your skill or expertise. The second is through products, where you create or sell items used during weddings. The third is through rentals and experiences, where you provide things people use for a short time during the event. If you can do any of these well, and people trust you, you can build a profitable business in this space. Now let us talk about all the different business areas within the wedding industry. One of the most structured ways to make money in the wedding industry is through wedding planning. A wedding planner helps couples organize everything from start to finish. You manage budgets, coordinate vendors, create timelines, and make sure everything runs smoothly. To start, you need strong organization skills, good communication, and the ability to manage people and details at the same time. You will need basic tools like a laptop, a phone, and planning systems. You also need to register your business and use clear contracts. You can start small by helping with simple events, and then grow into full planning services. Startup costs can range from $1,000 to $8,000, and you can earn between $2,500 to $15,000 per wedding depending on your level. Wedding photography is one of the most in-demand services because people want to keep memories forever. A wedding photographer captures important moments like the ceremony, family interactions, and celebrations. To start, you need strong photography and editing skills, along with a good portfolio. You will also need professional cameras, lenses, lighting equipment, and editing software. This business requires more investment at the beginning, but it pays well. Startup costs can range from $5,000 to $25,000, and you can earn between $2,000 to $10,000 per wedding. Decoration is what gives a wedding its look and feeling. A wedding decor business designs and sets up the visual environment for the event. This includes backdrops, lighting, table arrangements, and themed designs. To succeed here, you need creativity, attention to detail, and the ability to bring ideas to life. You will also need decor items, lighting equipment, and transport to move your materials. Startup costs can range from $3,000 to $20,000. Profit per event can range from $1,500 to $12,000 depending on the scale. Flowers play a big role in weddings. A florist designs bouquets, centerpieces, and decorative arrangements. You need design skills and knowledge of how to handle and preserve flowers. You will also need tools, storage, and reliable suppliers. Startup costs range from $2,000 to $15,000, and you can earn between $1,000 to $8,000 per wedding. Wedding invitation and stationery business. Every wedding starts with an invitation. This business focuses on designing and producing invitations and matching stationery. If you have graphic design skills, this is a strong opportunity. You will need design software, a computer, and either a printer or printing partners. Startup costs can be as low as $500 and go up to $5,000. Profit per order can range from $500 to $5,000. Wedding videography business. Videography captures the movement and emotion of a wedding. Unlike photos, videos tell the full story of the day. You need video production and editing skills, along with cameras, audio equipment, and editing tools. Startup costs range from $4,000 to $20,000. Profit can range from $2,000 to $12,000 per wedding. Wedding content creator business. This is a newer opportunity in the wedding industry. Wedding content creators focus on short videos and behind-the-scenes moments that couples can share on social media quickly. You need a good smartphone, simple equipment, and strong storytelling skills for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Startup costs are low, between $500 and $3,000. Profit per event can range from $500 to $3,000. Wedding photo booth business. Photo booths give guests a fun way to take pictures during the event. Modern booths include digital sharing and customs designs. You need booth equipment, lighting, and printing systems. You also need to be able to set up and manage the experience during events. Startup costs range from $3,000 to $12,000. Profit can range from $500 to $2,500 per event. Bridal makeup business. Bridal makeup artists help brides and the wedding party look their best. This service is always in demand because appearance matters on such an important day. You need professional makeup skills, quality products, and good hygiene practices. Startup costs can range from $500 to $5,000. Profit per wedding can range from $300 to $2,000. Wedding hairstylist business. Hairstyling works closely with makeup to complete the look of the bride and bridal party. You need hairstyling skills, tools, and the ability to work on location. Startup costs range from $1,000 to $6,000. Profit per wedding can range from $300 to $2,500. Wedding catering business. Food is one of the biggest parts of any wedding. Catering businesses prepare and serve meals for guests. This business requires cooking skills, large-scale food preparation, and proper licensing. Startup costs are higher, from $10,000 to $80,000. Profit can range from $5,000 to $40,000 depending on the size of the event. Wedding cake business. Wedding cakes are both food and design. They are often the centerpiece of the reception. You need baking and decoration skills, along with proper food handling standards. Startup costs range from $2,000 to $15,000. Profit per cake can range from $500 to $5,000. Mobile cocktail bar business. This business provides drinks at weddings through a portable setup. It creates a unique guest experience. You need bartending skills, equipment, and sometimes alcohol service licenses. Startup costs range from $3,000 to $25,000. Profit per event can range from $1,000 to $8,000. Wedding DJ business. DJs control the energy of the event through music. They manage sound and keep guests engaged. You need music skills, sound equipment, and the ability to read the crowd. Startup costs range from $2,000 to $12,000. Profit per wedding can range from $800 to $5,000. Wedding venue business. A wedding venue provides the space where the event happens. This is one of the most central parts of the industry. This business requires property, infrastructure, and strong management. Startup costs are high, from $50,000 to $500,000. Profit per event can range from $5,000 to $50,000. Wedding rental business. Rental businesses provide chairs, tables, decor, and other items used during weddings. You need inventory, storage, and transport systems. Startup costs range from $5,000 to $50,000. Profit can range from $1,000 to $10,000 per event. Wedding transportation business. Transportation businesses move couples and guests between locations. You need vehicles, proper licenses, and scheduling systems. Startup costs range from $10,000 to $100,000. Profit per event can range from $500 to $5,000. At this point, you can see that there are many ways to make money in the wedding industry. The key is not to try everything. The key is to choose one path that matches your skills, your budget, and your interest. Start small. Focus on doing one thing very well. Build your reputation. Deliver quality consistently. As people begin to trust you, referrals will come, and your business will grow naturally. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. If you want to go deeper and understand all the opportunities, including more business ideas, detailed steps, and guidance on how to start properly, read the full article on entrepreneurs.ng. https://entrepreneurs.ng/how-to-make-money-in-the-wedding-industry/. We are rooting for you always. See you in the next video.